Here it is. Man, look at that shit, bro. So what's up, guys? I just got home from school. So Prime Monkey sent more of their fragrances, and I'm excited to check this out. Enough talking. Let's open this package up. Ang hirap tanggalin, okay? Now here is BDC Toned. BDC Tone. And let's check this out. Oh my god, yung new packaging, look at that! Bro, metal plate! Oh my god. Metal plate talaga? It is metal plate. Woo! Ang ganda, man. Look at that. Man. Royal Zest. So, before we spray this, let's check the others muna. Okay, here it is. I think wala nang, ano? Wait! Wait, gumanda yung box nila. Look at that. What? Man, ang ganda. Look. Damn. Okay. Okay, I see you, Prime Monkey. Woo. Okay. Here it is. Man, look at that shit, bro. Metal plate, both of them. God damn. So this is Imperium, the most wanted parfum. Lastly, oh, it's their Pulse Intense! Yung Pulse Intense a parfum version. So, I'ma just go get some tester strips and let's do some first testing. So, let's start muna with Pulse Intense parfum. Atomizer, check. Woo! Wow! Ooh, wait, this is so much better. Oh my god, nag-improve sobra ito. Chestnutty, toffee, warm spices. Man, mas better pa to compared kay Symmetry Lab. I'm not even kidding. Par siya kay Symmetry Lab for me. Naging mas potent here yung cinnamon and yung chestnut and of course the toffee. This might be one of the best Stronger With You intensely na copy at the moment. Next, yung hinihintay ng mga iba. Imperium. And look at the new logo of Prime Monkey. Naging mas minimalist na and staying true to that monkey-ass vibe or parang grape ape na design, which I love. If you guys know me, I love Dragon Ball. And I like it. I really love it. Man, gusto talaga to metal plate. Ang sarap like hawakin. It's so cool. Ooh, the atomizer is so good. Okay, kuhang-kuha yung hinahanap kong fruit notes at the opening ng isang the most wanted parfum. Hindi too scritchy yung ginger. Balanced lang siya and it has like the spicy nuance at the opening which I get from the OG the most wanted parfum in combination of the ginger. This is powdery, sweet, warm, spicy. For first impressions, this is a good copy of the most wanted parfum. Lastly, let's talk about the last scent. I-release nila this March 22nd. So again, this is Royal Zest. This is Afternoon Swim by LV. Anyways, let's do some sprays. Woo! Oh, that is Afternoon Swim! Really citrusy, sparkling, fresh. As the name suggests, if you haven't tried it, yung OG na Afternoon Swim kind of has like that royal pop na vibe. Like, for example, you opened a can of royal. Basically, yun ang makuha mo kay Afternoon Swim and na-replicate ni Prime Monkey yun. Out of all of these fragrances here, my favorite is definitely si Royal Zest, which is Afternoon Swim. My God, these are absolute bangers. Sir Vinmark, again, you never disappoint. You never do. I don't know. Every time mapapadala ka sa akin, you keep blowing away my expectations. Like, goddamn, the new bottles, now naka-parfum concentration. Like, grabe. I'm kind of happy kasi nalala ko lang noon mga October, I think, when Prime Monkey reached out to me firsthand. And I actually did see potential on them, kaya I never stopped supporting them because I did see potential kay Sir Mark. And now, medyo malayo na siya, pero malayo pa din at the top, but still, malayo na from where he first started. I have no words. Very mind-blown ako, and yeah, these are absolute bangers sa copy. And wala na ako masabi. Actually, I'm out of words. I'm speechless. These are bangers. Anyways, thank you again, Sir Vinmark, for sending these 3 bangers of fragrances to me. And I'm really happy for you, sir, that, ayun, you've come so far na, and I hope you keep striving for more, and meron kami here in community to support you 100%. Stay tuned for my full review on these fragrances from Prime Monkeys because, man, deserve nila ng individual review sa channel ko. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.